The REMI remote EEG monitoring system works wirelessly with Persist Mobile to intuitively provide fast, accessible, and accurate EEG readings wherever and whenever they're needed. Here's some general information and steps to set up and use the system. The REMI system, which includes 4 small, single-use REMI sensors and the REMI tablet with pre-installed REMI mobile software, comes bundled with several accessories. REMI Mobile will guide you through the following steps and serve as your connectivity hub. Each tablet can only be used with 1 patient at a time. Section 1. Registering your patient. Before using the REMI system with your patient, you will need to create a profile for them on the tablet. To do this, simply tap Start and enter your patient's information, including medical record number, first name, and last name. Section 2. Preparing the REMI sensors. Preparing the sensors starts with linking them to the patient profile on the tablet. There are 2 ways to set this up. Option 1 is to scan the sensor identification barcode on the label of each sensor's bag. Option 2 is to manually enter each sensor ID, which is a 3-digit code on the bottom right corner of the sensor bag. This will need to be repeated for each sensor. Next, you'll need to initialize the sensors. To do so, remove it from its packaging. Lay it on a flat surface with the electrodes facing down, and press the top of the sensor. The sensor LED will flash blue and then green, and the indicator on the tablet will change to green once it's connected and synced. With the sensors set up and initialized, it's time to apply the adhesive stickers. First to the sensor and then to the patient. First, take 1 sticker out of the sticker bag. Then remove the blue liner and carefully place the sticker on the sensor with the perforations aligning with the electrodes. Lastly, remove the clear film to reveal the patient contacting adhesive layer. Repeat these steps for each sensor. Section 3. Preparing your patient. Now it's time to prepare your patient and place the REMI sensors. The sensors must be adhered in the following order: behind their left ear, on the left side of their forehead, on the right side of their forehead, and then behind their right ear. Before placing the sensors, the skin must be cleaned with an alcohol wipe. Remove an alcohol wipe from its packaging and clean each application area. Place the first sensor by gently pressing it behind your patient's left ear with the exposed adhesive facing their skin. Then push the top of the sensor, which will cause the sensor LED to flash blue and then green. The text on the REMI tablet will change from "Please wait" to "Test," which you should press to test the electrode contact quality. If the system is set up properly, the REMI app will move forward to the next sensor placement. It will take a few minutes for all sensors to be fully synced. Section 4. Recording. Once you've successfully placed and tested all 4 sensors, hit Start Recording on the tablet. After 5 to 10 minutes, the REMI system will automatically start transmitting the recording to Persist Mobile for monitoring. When you're ready to end a session, tap End Recording. After a few minutes, the information will finish transmitting and the REMI tablet will show session complete. You may then peel off the sensors. Now that you know how to use the REMI system, visit epitel.com for more information, important safety information, and for the REMI system instructions for use.